Step 1. Remove rear center section paneling, shown here as number 6. Step 2. Remove nuts, shown here as number 7, inside of rear center section. Step 3. Lift vehicle on vehicle lift. Step 4. Disconnect rear bumper PARKTRONIC electrical connector, shown here as X35/28, and guide through opening in rear center section with electric wiring harness. Step 5. Unclip hose, shown here as number 2, from clips, shown here as number 3. Step 6. Remove screws, shown here as number 4. The number of bolts, shown here as number 4, varies according to version of muffler system. Step 7. Remove screws, shown here as number 5. Step 8. Remove screws, shown here as number 12, model 204.377 with code B25, AMG Track Package. Step 9. Remove bolts, shown here as number 13. Model 204.377 with code B25, AMG Track Package. Step 10. Remove expansion clip, shown here as number 10, from rear fender paneling, shown here as number 8, on left and right. Step 11. Remove nut, shown here as number 11, from rear fender paneling, shown here as number 8, on left and right. Step 12. Loosen left and right rear fender paneling, shown here as number 8, until bolt, shown here as number 9, is accessible. Step 13. Remove left and right bolt, shown here as number 9. The number of bolts, shown here as number 9, can vary according to vehicle variant. Step 14. Unclip bumper, shown here as number 1, at sides and rear starting at rear fender, and remove bumper, shown here as number 1, using aid of helper. Step 15. Make cutout for end pipe of muffler system on bumper, shown here as number 1. Step 16. Install in the reverse order.